So yesterday we took up the front door handles, and to do so, what you gotta do is, there's a little cap right here. You open it and you use a T20 and you insert it, you turn it, and it stops. So the screw inside, you don't have to worry about it falling into the door or anything. Once it stops, all you do is use one of these prying tools. You pop out this cover where it has the lock. It just pops off, and to actually remove the door handle, you pull back on it, and then it just comes off. So we're gonna do the rear. Rear is kind of different because it uses a different Torx. It uses a T15. Same thing, you remove the cover, and then twist it, and then you use the prying tool, and it just pops right off. You lift the door handle, it should come off like that. And then to remove this part, all you do is just pull back, and then you sort of just wiggle it out, twist it a little bit, and then it pulls out like that. You don't want to break these clips, so it comes off like that. So you take them off. Hope this helps.